Hey guys, and welcome back to the Isometric exercise library for the Superhuman Strength Protocol. Today we're going to be going through one of my favourites for hip stability and function, reinforcing a nice, solid, stable position within the hip joint, is the Isometric Single Leg Deadlift. What you want to do with this one is run the strap under the midline of the foot or towards the heel, and we want to assume the single leg deadlift position. Now, what I strongly recommend with people on this one is to perform it with their rear leg actually touching the ground initially if they can't maintain that balanced position. But in this demonstration, as you can see, I'm trapping the strap in place and I'm making sure that I'm grabbing relatively low down, ideally towards knee height on the strap. From here, I'm hinging at the hips, okay, so I'm making sure that my body is in that 45-degree position, if not slightly further towards parallel with the ground, and then I'm taking that rear leg behind me, so I'm aiming to extend that rear leg, push it back, okay, and make sure that my hip height on both sides stays relatively equal. A lot of people, when they initially set themselves up, they actually rotate up and lift that free hip slightly too high. You want to make sure that both hips are equal, and then from here, keeping those elbows straight, what you want to do is apply force through the supporting leg, so drive the heel into the ground on that supporting leg, and again aim to perform the dynamic motion against that fixed resistance. So aim to stand up, driving that heel into the ground, extend at the hip into that upright position and pull against that strap. Again, what you'll see here is that challenge against that stability. Your body will start to wobble from side to side. As long as you set that position, making sure that we're biasing the muscles that we want to load, the hamstrings, the glutes, the erectors, and within this case actually the adductors, and you're trying to extend using those muscles, then you'll be able to get that carry over to the dynamic movement.